Do you see how oily my skin looks? And I got a pimple. Hello everybody, I am Pratibha Pikan and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be talking about rosehip oil. I got mine from NYKAA and I'll be telling you about the product, my experiences, and should you buy it or not. So let's begin. I ordered rosehip oil from NYKAA on 25th May and I got it delivered the very next day. So thank you NYKAA for that. And it was for rupees 650. I'll show you the outer covering in a picture. Well, this is the bottle. I threw the outer covering, but this was the bottle inside. It is a cute dark color bottle. And it says NYKAA Naturals Rosehip Oil, cold pressed oil, 100% pure, and this is 30 ml. It does give you directions to use. It says that we need to mix it with some other oil, but I hate essential oils as such, so I did not mix it with any other oil. So I'll show you how the product is. It is dark yellow color and it has a droplet. This is very convenient to use. So I just used 3 drops of this. 1, 2, 3. That is all. I rub it in, apply it on my face, especially the areas where I have pimple marks. I massage it and that's it. It gets absorbed in like 5 to 10 minutes, so you'll have to wait a little bit. Try to do it at night because that is the best time when all the products can sink into your skin. Why rosehip oil? So rosehip oil is rich in vitamin A, C, D and E. Because it is rich in vitamin A, it is a natural form of retinol, which helps you to get rid of your acne scars, pigmentation, dark spots. While vitamin C also helps you to brighten your complexion and gives you a glowing skin. Rosehip oil is also rich in fatty acids, antioxidants, and it also helps fight the signs of aging. So people who have wrinkles, people who want to start their anti-aging process, they can start using rosehip oil and apply it either all over the face or just on the areas where they have wrinkles. Rosehip oil also helps to reduce scars and stretch marks. So we have stretch marks on our stomach, on our thighs, on our hips. So you can also try rosehip oil there. Rosehip oil is also good for oily to combination skin, and it does not make your skin very oily. It gets absorbed in your skin very soon. It takes like 5 to 10 minutes to get absorbed and does not give you the oily look. After I got the product, I started applying it every day on my face. Probably would have missed around 1 or 2 times, but I used to apply the oil every day. I just used to apply the rosehip oil and I used to go to bed. I did that for 3 weeks straight, and this is the before and after picture. This is my face without any makeup on. I'll show you the pimple mark that I had earlier. Somewhere here. The pimple is gone, the mark is fading. I do see there were other scars near that earlier, but even those have reduced a little bit. As you can see, my pimple has gone away. I also think some of the other marks that were there on my skin earlier around the pimple have also lightened. I would say my skin got a little brighter, it feels nourished, I feel like it glows. But the sole reason why I got this was for reducing my scar. I don't see a lot of effect with that, although it did work on small spots, but the actual pimple scar that I had, I don't see much results for that. I did apply it on my hair as well. My hair are very frizzy and dry, so I just used to take some drops and just put it on my hair. So my hair feels nice after that. I probably would use it more from my hair from now than on my face. If I am asked to invest money on a product that would reduce my scars, I would rather go for a vitamin C serum or some other serum which is specifically for spot treatment, because I did not see much effect from rosehip oil on my acne spots. The good part about rosehip oil is it does not have fragrance. So a lot of essential oils have a lot of fragrance in it and it smells like fruit, flowers and all those things that the new products are trying to put in their skincare to make it look natural, but it is not. So rosehip oil is very plain. It smells like an oil and not like rose or anything else. So that is the best part about it. Would I buy it again? No. So if I go to a place that is very cold and my skin is very dry, probably I would think of buying it again, but I would not buy it again solely for reducing my acne spots. I would buy it for maybe hydrating my skin, but I think there are better products in the market that would hydrate your skin without making it look oily for a second. Should you buy it? Well, if you want a more hydrated skin, if you have a dry skin, if you want more glow in your skin, and if you love using essential oils, go ahead, buy it. But if you're buying it solely for reducing your acne scars, it did not do much on me, so I can't really recommend it to you. But every skin type is different, so it might suit you, it not suit me, and I frankly would not recommend, because I would rather use honey on my face every day rather than investing in an oil and getting results for reducing my spots. So yes, that was my opinion, and if you use the oil and if you found great results with it, please let me know. I would be so happy to hear about it, and I have a whole bottle to finish, so probably that would motivate me to finish this bottle as well. So yes, please comment down below, please like and subscribe, and do let me know what other kind of videos you would like to see and what I should help you out with, and I will happily do so.